Hi there, I'm Anna from Encom Energy, and today we're at Apperley's Butchers in Ballymoney, a family business dating over 50 years. We recently just installed a large commercial solar PV system to help cut costs and for them to operate more sustainably. This system is 70 kilowatts spanning over 3 different types of roofs. This project was part funded by Invest in I and will help Apperley save over $7,000 in their first year alone. This is crucial for businesses that are committed to quality and community. Apperley's Butchers is known across Northern Ireland for premium produce and excellent customer service. Like many businesses in Northern Ireland, they're seeing a massive increase in operation costs and energy costs. By switching to solar, Apperley's Butchers can now run the majority of their operations on renewable energy, helping them cut costs and reduce their carbon footprint so they can focus more on premium produce and customer service. If you're interested in solar and reducing your operation costs, contact the team today to see what we can do for your business.